Hello friends. I want to talk about the snack drawer. Almost everyone has one. The place in your kitchen where the chips live. The crackers. The things you reach for at 3 in the afternoon, when your energy drops and your willpower is at its lowest point of the day. I had one for years. And I told myself the things I kept in it were fine. Multigrain crackers. Baked chips. Things with health claims on the front of the packaging that I now know meant almost nothing. The reality was simpler and less comfortable than that. Most commercial crackers and chips, even the ones marketed as healthy, are built on refined flour, seed oils, and enough sodium and flavoring to make you reach for another handful before you have even finished the first. They are engineered to keep you eating, not to nourish you. The afternoon energy crash I was experiencing every single day was not a willpower problem. It was a snack problem. So I cleared out the drawer. And I started making these instead. Flaxseed crackers with seed topping. Keto. No flour. No refined oil. No additives of any kind. And genuinely, more satisfying than any chip or cracker I have ever bought from a store. Let me show you exactly how I make them. I start with 1 cup of whole flax seeds. I add them to a large clear glass bowl and pour over half a cup of water. I stir once and leave them for 15 minutes. In that time something remarkable happens. The flax seeds release a natural mucilage, a gel-like substance from their outer shell that binds everything together without any flour, any egg, any starch whatsoever. The gel is also rich in soluble fiber that feeds your gut bacteria and slows glucose absorption from everything you eat alongside these crackers. While the flax seeds soak, I prepare my seed topping. 4 tablespoons of sesame seeds for calcium and healthy fats. 4 tablespoons of sunflower seeds for vitamin E and magnesium. 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds for zinc and iron. A pinch of Himalayan salt. Half a teaspoon of sweet paprika for its antioxidant carotenoids. A pinch of turmeric for curcumin and its anti-inflammatory effects. A pinch of dried oregano for its natural antimicrobial thymal compounds. Everything goes into the soaked flaxseed mixture. I stir thoroughly until every seed is coated in the flax gel. I spread the mixture onto a baking sheet lined with siliconized parchment paper, in an even layer approximately 3 to 4 millimeters thick. Before baking, I score the surface with a knife into cracker shapes. This makes them easy to break cleanly after baking without crumbling. Into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes, until the edges are golden and the surface looks dry and set. Then I reduce the heat to 150 degrees Celsius and dry them in the oven for a further 15 minutes. This second lower temperature step is essential. It removes the remaining moisture completely and creates that satisfying deep crunch that makes these crackers genuinely addictive without any of the ingredients that make commercial chips harmful. Remove from the oven. Cool completely on the baking sheet. Break along the scored lines. Flax seeds are extraordinary and deserve more attention than they typically receive. They are the richest plant source of omega-3 ALA fatty acids, directly reducing systemic inflammation and LDL cholesterol with every serving. Their lignans, plant compounds concentrated almost uniquely in flaxseed, have been studied extensively for hormonal balance, cancer protection, and cardiovascular health. 1 cup of flax seeds in this recipe delivers a week's worth of omega-3 in a form your body can actually use. These crackers store in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks. They get better after the first day as the flavors deepen. Serve them with avocado, hummus, soft cheese, or smoked salmon. Or eat them plain straight from the container at 3 in the afternoon instead of reaching into that old drawer. Tell me in the comments what you served yours with. I want to know every combination. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and I will see you in the next recipe.